Okay guys, welcome back. I'm doing an update on a video that I did 3 years ago on this Dupli-color Bed Armor. And I'm doing this because a lot of people are asking, how is it holding up? Now, what I'm going to have to do here is I'm going to have to download my own old video, which I don't think I have it anymore, to show you how bad these bed rails were. Now, there was 3, and so this is what it looks like after 3 years. But I'll try to blend in what it originally looked like. It was absolutely terrible, the type of thing where the fiberglass would get stuck in your arms if you put your arms up there. And then hopefully I'm transitioning into what it looked like when I first sprayed this stuff. And it looked fantastic. But there's a lot of people asking, how is it holding up? Did it all come right off, or did it hold up well? And I'm gonna have to say that it held up well. Of course, we're talking about 3 years, and I definitely use my truck a lot. Now, right now I'm showing the best side, of course. But I am a full-time lawn service. The trailer's on there, always loading stuff into the truck. Of course, primarily around the tailgate, and this is where you're starting to see chips, but I would say it went a pretty good solid year with hardly any scratches at all. But you know, we're 3 years into this, and this is, you know, this is what you got. I'm constantly lifting things up over the side and having it drag on the side and then dump in, and so that's where you get something like this. There's limits to everything, but overall it's doing pretty well. I would say really well. Here's a fresh one that I just did last week. But it was a major item. To give you an example, actually, I have it right here. This giant table here, which has a lot of weight to it, is what I put in there up and over the edge and scraped it that way. But other areas where nothing gets touched, it's still looking great. If you're remembering my video, I'll go back over there to the can. And I'm going back over the can because that's one of the kind of amazing parts of this, is that this is the same can. It is about half empty. So I'd say about half the can did all these bed rails, and I don't remember the video completely well, but maybe I put 2 coats on or something. I had plans to do these fender flares as well, and I think I will, because I mean, that's a place where it's never really going to get touched or scraped, and that'll stay looking nice for a long time. And so it's due for another coat. I got no problem putting exactly the same stuff on there. If I have to do this, about every 3 or 4 years, I'm fine with that. Much better than replacing all these plastic pieces. Anyway, yeah, I just had a lot of people watching that video now asking for an update, and so here it is. Real good stuff. Real good stuff. Appreciate y'all watching, and you have a good one.